Hello viewers, and this is Ratnakumar. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Mr. Math Healer. Today in this video, we are going to see arithmetic mean individual series. In last video, we discussed about the same thing, but we did the problems in direct method. Today we are going to solve the problem using shortcut method. Okay, it is a little bit tricky one, but if they are asking this shortcut method, you need to solve the problem, then definitely you need to use this method. So okay, for that purpose, you need to learn this compulsorily. It's a mandatory one. Okay, fine. So if you want to get anything from me, just comment below, and also you can also help me by GPay. Okay, fine. So let into the problem. This is the problems. Okay, sometimes you may expect the problem like this, and in that directly they ask you to calculate the arithmetic mean by shortcut method. If they simply ask you to calculate the arithmetic mean, you can go for the direct method, and it is not a difficult one. Easily you can apply the direct method and then find the answer. But if they are asking like this, you have to solve it by shortcut method. That time you need to definitely use that shortcut method only. Okay, now I'm going to write the formula for the shortcut method. What is the difference between the direct and then shortcut method or step deviation method? Shortcut method and then step deviation method is more equal. Okay, shortcut method is equal to step deviation method. Okay, so what you need to understand from the question is that in direct method you just add up all the mark, and then you divide it by the total number of students. Here they given it as total number of students is all about 10 students, and the mark of the students are given here. So first thing in shortcut method is that first step is that you need to assume particular x value as a a. Okay, so here it is x value. Start from a 46, 64, 55, 47, 74, 78, 84, 90, 59 or 63. Okay, you have to consider one number as an assumed number, so you have to take any number that is in the middle. Okay, that is in the middle, not in the middle, by comparing the range. Okay, by comparing the range. So the lowest number is all about 46 and the highest number is all about 90. So in between the 46 and the 90, I'm just going to pick 74. So I assume a value as 74. From this I'm going to calculate the arithmetic mean. So formula is all about arithmetic mean, which is denoted by x bar, which is equal to a plus or minus summation of d divided by n. This is the formula, and you will get confusions regarding d. What is mean by d? dv is all about deviation, which means how far the x value deviate from the assumed value. How far the x value deviate from the assumed value. Simply we can take it as a d is equal to x minus a. So by adding up all those deviation, we get the summation of d, and n, which is mean by the total number of students. Okay, fine. So this is the formula. I explained about the d also and a also. Now we are going to calculate the arithmetic mean using shortcut method or step deviation method. First thing is that same thing we are going to do as we did in the direct method. We're going to write in the column manner. So roll number and then mark. I take the mark as x. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. What about the mark? It's 46, 64, 55, 47, 74, 78, 88, 90, 59, 63. If it is a direct method, you are going to add up all the mark and you'll get the summation of x, but it is totally different. Okay, we are going to find the deviation. So for that, d is equal to x minus a, which mean by that, which is, we assumed it as 74. So for clearing purpose, I'm going to write what I'm going to do here. Okay, so x value is all about 46. So 46 minus 74, which gives you, what's the value, is minus 28. Okay, so minus sign is so important because here you are assuming a is here, in front of that it is minus sign. So here bigger number is 74, that's why we are getting minus sign over here. So second, 64 minus 74, which means it's minus 10. Third, 55 minus 74, it's all about minus 19. And 47 minus 74 is minus 27. And then it is easy, 74 minus 74 is about 0. 78 minus 74 is 4, that means plus 4. And 88 minus 74 is plus 14. 90 minus 74 is plus 16. 59 minus 74 minus 15. And then 63 minus 74, it's about minus 11. Okay, fine. So now you calculated the d value, but right now you need to find the summation of d, which means you need to add up all those value. But here it is a problem. If you are using calculator, it has in me, it's easy for you. So just to put minus 28 minus 10 minus 19 minus 27 plus 4 plus 14 plus 6, exactly what is there in the note. Okay, you are going to put it in the calculator and then you will going to do the problem. But when you are going to solve it in the note without using calculator, how you need to proceed, it will be difficult for the students in the elementary or level or else school level. So what I'm going to do is that just taking the number. Okay, just I'm just going to take the negative value first. Okay, so minus 28 minus 10 minus 19 minus 27, and after that it is minus 15 and then minus 11, minus 15 and then minus 11. So what is the value? Minus 28 is 38, and then 57, 64 and 84, and then it is 95, and then minus 110. Okay, minus 110. Then now I'm going to add the positive numbers. Plus 4, 0 is not either a negative or a positive, so we just going to omit that 0. Plus 14 plus 16, that's it. Okay, what's the total is all about? 4 plus, okay, 4 plus 6 is all about 30, it's all about 34 plus 34. And what we need to do is that just simply deduct 110 from 34, you will get a minus 76, because minus 110 is the biggest number. So I'm just going to put the minus 76, and the summation of d is equal to minus 76. I hope it is clear for you right now. So you also do the same thing when you are going to solve this problem. Okay, now I found the summation of d. Now I'm going to apply in the formula. It's okay. So what is the formula? It's all about x bar, which is equal to, what is the a value? It is 74. So here it is a minus sign. So what I'm going to do is that minus 76 divided by, what is the total number of the student, is all about 10. So answer will be 74 minus 7.6. and what will be the answer? So you have to do it in separately. So 74 7.6 you are going to detect. Okay, so 0.0, it's all about 10. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 3. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6, and here will be 6. So total will be 66.4. So arithmetic mean, okay, the mean value of the 10 student by shortcut method is all about 66.4. okay, now you got the answer and you just need to try the same thing. Okay, so only thing is that you need to be very okay, careful with these values. If you are doing any mistake, and it will be end up in the wrong answer. If suppose if you feel that whether it is correct or not, okay, you can cross check by solving the same problem with the direct method. So only for checking purpose, okay, only for checking purpose, because in the question itself they clearly mentioned that you have to solve it by shortcut method or else step deviation method. If suppose if they are asking, you need to solve by this method only, and I hope that it is clear for you. If you have any doubt regarding these things, you can comment me, and also I told you that you can also support me by GP. Thank you. So we will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.